Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody falls in love somehow.
Addie and I are just walking around. Remember Addie?
The one and only.
Well, we showed up at this place and I asked her what it was and she said...
It's the mini Coliseum.
Yep.
It's the small one.
So that sounds very accurate. We're gonna go do that. We're trying to go thrifting right now. It's like 6 p.m. On a bus. It's bussing. This is the sunset spot. We're gonna sit for a bit. We're going to dinner tonight. I'm thinking carbonara.
I'm thinking, I'm thinking you should get that and I want a bite.
Nom nom.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Penso che un sogno così non ritorni mai più.
We're finishing the night off with some gelato and a nice little walk. I got carbonara. It was a little too al dente for me. I gotta be honest.
Mine was too al dente.
It was too al dente. It was too chewy. Okay, we should have voiced this earlier. No one talked about it.
I just didn't want to be the person to complain about my
Same. Was your pasta too al dente?
It was basically raw.
We all thought that. Anyway, but we're having delicious gelato right now.
Volare, oh, cantare, oh, nel blu dipinto di blu.
We're in an old slaughterhouse right now, and they created it into a bunch of wonderful other different things. It's more artsy and there's a music school here.
Contemporary museum, bar.
Yeah, so we're just exploring that a bit.
I got a woman way over town that's good to me. Oh yeah.
Oh, kind of scary. No thanks.
Way over town, good to me. Oh yeah.
So we're still in the cemetery, and this is the Testaccio Pyramid, which was...
A tomb for, I should probably look this up on Wikipedia before I put it on the vlog.
So it was built in 12 BC for...
Gaius Cestius.
Yep. Super cool.
When we all get, when we all say.
Questi 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, così? Sì. Portate via, sì.
We have our pizza.
We do indeed, and our chili flakes.
I just got this ring from the shop. Look at how cute. Right by Ponte Sisto.
Double D, big full breast on my baby.
We're at the Pantheon right now, and since I studied here during COVID, there was never a line for anything. But this line is probably 2 hours long. Do you see this? It's just like Kayla said, a sea of people. And here's the beautiful Pantheon. We're at the Trevi Fountain. Again, it's so crowded. There's tourists everywhere. But it's a sight to see.
Now you're lost in the heat of it all. Girl, you know you're lost.
Beautiful.
All right, where are we going right now?
We're going to Tivoli. We're gonna go get lunch there. We're gonna walk around. There's a waterfall. What else is there?
a famous Roman statue there. I talked a lot about it in my art history class.
I need a coffee.
Art history, that's my minor. Well, damn.
That was so cheesy, but I loved it.
My villa, my two other roommates' villa, Aurelian Wall. This is like 1,500 years old.
History.
You're gonna want to see this backyard.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
This is insane.
Yep. That's the Katakala, just like I said.
Wow. That's crazy. Yay. Thank you.
We ask for shoes off within anywhere up to this hallway.
Of course.
Or because I have a single bed.
Oh, yes.
Her sleep on the floor.
This is nice.
It's a nice mattress.
So you have 3 bedrooms.
This is Josh's bedroom.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, he doesn't keep it very tidy, but it's okay. Here is one of our bathrooms.
Very nice.
Can I actually use the bathroom?
Of course you can. No, this one's actually just for show.
Wow.
So I have some laundry right now.
This is so pretty.
Bathroom, and that's the pee bathroom.
This is Kobe's bedroom.
Wait, that's like not.
It's not an actual bedroom, but
But that's still nice.
yeah. And then this is where we do our homework. This is the study room.
Very
You
nice.
can see why.
Yeah,
And
the
then-
light's amazing.
Yeah. This room is the kitchen. We have to take out recycling. Very sorry about that.
Beautiful.
Here's the kitchen. Very small, very quaint, very cute. Fridge. Washing machine, which in Italy is huge.
Yeah, it is.
That's game changer. That is game changing. And then this is why I had to do some of my laundry in the dining room because they just plopped their laundry here. And this is the second bathroom. Shower and another toilet and then a washing machine right there.
That's amazing. I love your home.
Off with your head.